Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This gives your laptop permission to see the phone. Once done, install the correct OEM USB drivers on the laptop so transfers and mode changes work reliably. Make sure you use a data-capable USB cable or set up both devices on the same Wi-Fi network for wireless methods. These steps let you connect without permission errors, and they reduce interruptions later when you begin file transfer or screen sharing. You now connect and pick a method. For simple files, choose File Transfer, MTP when the phone prompts. This exposes storage. If you need deeper control, use ADB on the laptop to access shell, install APKs, or pull logs. ADB requires agreement to the laptop on the phone. For screen mirroring, run SCRCPY or a comparable app. It streams display with low latency. For wireless workflows, enable hotspot or use local network apps, but make sure both devices are secured on the same network. Finish by safely ejecting storage or stopping the mirroring app before disconnecting. That prevents file corruption. If something goes wrong, start simple. Try another USB cable, a different USB port, and reboot both devices. Next, reinstall drivers or revoke and reauthorize USB debugging on the phone to reset permissions. If errors persist, use ADB Logcat or the app's diagnostic output to locate the failure. This tells you whether it's a driver, cable, or permission problem so you can fix it cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.